The monsoon session turned into a high-voltage showdown as terror strikes, international warnings, and bitter political exchange stole the spotlight. 22 minutes of fury, PM Modi on India's swift strike back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi revealed chilling details of the Pahalgam terror attack.
22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में जिस प्रकार की क्रूर घटना घटी, जिस प्रकार आतंकवादियों ने निर्दोष लोगों को उनका धर्म पूछ करके गोलियां मारी, ये क्रूरता की पराकाष्ठा थी।
He added that the US had warned India of a possible Pakistani attack on May 9th, to which India responded with decisive force. From biryani to bullets, Nadda's stinging attack on UPA. BJP chief JP Nadda revived the biryani jive, accusing the UPA of feeding terrorists instead of fighting them.
क्या हुआ 2008 में इंडिया और पाकिस्तान agreed on a set of specific Kashmir specific confidence building measures. हम कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर्स पर चले रहे, वो हमारे को गोलियों से भूनते रहे और हम बिरयानी खिलाने चले रहे।
2014 era, the Amavasya dark moon days of national security. He listed major bombings and claimed the then government sat silent while cities bled. No stones, only silence. Kashmir now versus then. Nadda claimed a dramatic transformation in Jammu and Kashmir, zero local terrorism, no valley shutdowns in 3 years, and terrorists being eliminated within a 7-day window. He credited this shift to clear political leadership, not just security forces. Who answered the missiles? Opposition demands clarity. Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge hit back, calling the attack an intelligence failure and demanding an official report like post-Kargil. Priyanka Gandhi lashed out at BJP's insinuations about her family's stance on terror, invoking personal loss and the Batla House encounter. Words walked back, Nadda apologizes after verbal blow-up. Tensions peaked as Nadda accused Kharge of having lost mental balance, sparking uproar. Facing pressure, he withdrew the remark and apologized, cooling the tempers momentarily. Trump spoke first. MPs raised ceasefire credibility concerns. MP John Brittles and others questioned why Donald Trump, not PM Modi, was the first to announce the India-Pakistan ceasefire. They demanded a clarification to maintain India's diplomatic credibility. A session meant for governance became a political battleground of narratives. Between dark days of the past and the surgical precision of the present, behind every soundbite was a fight for legacy, leadership, and national security.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.